Liu Ying, born the 23rd of November 1985 in Jiangsu, is a female Chinese Olympic cross-country mountain bike racer who competed for Team China at the 2008 Summer Olympics where she finished 12th in the cross-country event. Sports career: 1998 Liaoning cycling team, 2004 Jiangsu provincial team, 2005 national team. Major performances: 2007 National Championships First Mountain Bike, 2007 Asian Championships First Mountain Bike, 2007 Mountain Bike World Championships First U23, 2007 World Cup First Mountain Bike. Profile: Beijing 2008 Team China. Liu Ying profile at Cycling Archives.